Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into a topic that's a major challenge for many business owners in trades and manufacturing: how to attract the right people to join your team. Hi, Bill Badura at Action Coach Business Steps. If you're struggling to find qualified candidates, especially for regional positions in Australia, you're not alone. In this digital age, we need to be more innovative than ever to communicate job opportunities and reach the right talent. So, what can you do if the ideal team members seem hard to find? Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and we'll explore some practical and effective strategies. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room. In trades and manufacturing, it's becoming increasingly difficult to find skilled workers, especially when you're trying to attract people to regional areas. Perception of the industry. The trades and manufacturing sectors often suffer from a perception problem, where young people don't see these jobs as being desirable. Then there's regional locations. Businesses in regional areas face the added challenge of attracting people willing to relocate or commute. Visa and work permission issues. For Australian businesses, finding candidates who have the right qualifications and permissions to work here can be tricky, especially with skilled migration policies constantly changing. But there's good news. You can flip these challenges into opportunities. So let's talk about how. So how do you attract top talent in this competitive landscape? Here are 3 key approaches that will help. Number 1, promote your industry with passion. You need to get people excited about working in trades and manufacturing. How? By promoting not just the job, but the career potential that these roles can offer. So you need to showcase opportunities for growth and development, the value of the skills they'll require, skills that will be in demand for many years to come. And you need to build some real-life success stories of people who have built rewarding careers in your industry. It's also important to leverage your online platforms, your website, social media, and even YouTube to share this content. Create videos that show what a day in the life looks like for your team members, the benefits of living and working in social Australia, or in regional Australia, and how these jobs contribute to the economy. The second thing is be visible where your audience is. Digital communication is key to attracting talent in today's world. You need to meet potential candidates where they are, which is online. Use platforms like LinkedIn, and LinkedIn especially for skilled trades and manufacturing jobs. Share detailed job posts that highlight not just what the role is, but the lifestyle and benefits of working in your regional area. Then there's Facebook and Instagram, great for younger candidates. Make sure your posts are engaging and visual, showing real people doing real jobs. Then there's the job platforms. Don't just rely on traditional job boards. Use specialised job platforms like Seek and Indeed. And consider investing in paid ads to target specific locations and skill sets. And it's important here to see recruitment as being an investment, not an expense. The third area is innovate your job ads. A lot of businesses overlook the power of a well-crafted job ad. It's not just about listing the skills required. Your job ad needs to sell the role. Here are some tips. Highlight the unique benefits of your business. Do you offer things like flexible hours, training and development programs, accommodation assistance for regional roles. Make these front and centre of your job ad. Use video job ads to stand out. Create a short video that introduces your business, the role, and the region. People are much more likely to engage with video content. Even consider interviewing some of your current staff. Make it easy to apply. Ensure your application process is simple, quick, and mobile friendly. This is critical for capturing today's digital savvy job seekers. Now let's tackle the unique challenge of filling regional positions and ensuring candidates have the right permissions to work in Australia. Attracting people to regional areas. It can be tough to convince people to relocate to take up jobs in less populated areas. But here's the secret. You need to sell the lifestyle. And here's how. Showcase the community. Highlight what makes your region special. Affordable housing, a sense of community, outdoor activities, and the lifestyle that people might not get in the cities. Are there any local incentives? Explore government grants and relocation support programs for regional workers. Include these in your job ads as additional perks. It's about family-friendly environment. Many candidates may be open to moving if they see it as a great place to raise a family. If your region offers great schools, healthcare, and leisure facilities, then you need to mention it. It's ensuring the candidates have the right work permissions. It's essential to attract candidates who already have the right qualifications and permissions to work in Australia. Here are some tips. Some clear job descriptions. Be transparent in your job postings about visa requirements or permissions needed. This saves time for both you and the applicant. It may be working with migration agents. Partner with a migration agent or consultant who can help you understand visa pathways for skilled workers. You can even include this support in your offer to make your roles more attractive. Tapping into skilled migration. Keep an eye on the skilled migration list for trades and manufacturing roles and consider offering sponsorship if it's going to be a viable option for your business. At the end of the day, finding the right people for your trades or manufacturing business, especially in regional Australia, is all about being proactive and innovative. You need to promote the industry, engage with candidates where they are, and make your job opportunities stand out. Remember, attracting great talent is an ongoing process. Your business will grow when you invest in finding the right people. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your network. And if you're looking for more tailored strategies to hiring and business growth, I invite you to book a free strategy session with me. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.